Hello guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to my channel House of Visual, and in today's video we are going to check out how to create a Sankey chart in Tableau. So let's get started. So over here I have already opened the Tableau desktop and I have loaded all my data set over here. On the left pane you can see my measures and categories values. And now if you go to the Show Me section, right now if you see there is no Sankey chart. And if we go to this marker, here also there are all the chart but no Sankey chart. So now what we need to do is we need to go to this add extension and click over it. And once you open this tab, this will take few seconds. And once this tab is open, you can see at the top Sankey chart, right? Along with that, we have a different chart as well. But right now, our focus is Sankey chart. I think over add extension, you can add the charts which are not in the Sankey chart by default. So when you go over there, you can click on download. Okay. Once we click on download icon, over here there are some preview also soon. So let's click on one by one. So in this marker section, once you select Sankey, you will get the option of level, link, detail, and tooltip. And next we have, this is how the Sankey chart will look with its tooltip, the nodes, and the flow. And in the next page, let's see. So next page, they are showing what type of data and where we need to add. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Let's try. So once I need to click on open now. Okay, so I have these already. So I will once remove and start from zero. So okay, let's add categorical data first. So I will add category in level that will create the nodes. Let's add reasons. Okay, great. So this has already been created, and now I will add sales to get some values. I think I added by mistake reason in that section. Let me remove it, and we will add reason in levels. Okay, yeah, great. Let me remove these filters. That's why it's showing filtered data. Right, so now we have a complete data and we have our Sankey chart in Tableau. And when we hover over flows, we can see the tooltip as well. Another thing we can do over here, we can add multiple links. So if you have multiple data, you can have multiple levels. So now I have 3 levels added. And in tooltip, I can also add a tooltip to show the kind of tooltip extra data if I want to show, I can show over here. So right now I have sales, I want to show profit as well. I will add in tooltip. Let's see, wow, we have now sales as well. So other than that, we can now click over tooltip. Once you click, you can format the tooltip values, right? So we can write over here total sales, sum of sales, whichever you prefer. And along with this, we can format. Since these are value, I want to highlight them in different colors. Okay, great. And you can also insert, I think you can insert some different kind of data as well as directly from here. And we can customize format labels and everything. Okay, let's see preview. This is how the preview will come. Okay, so now if we go try, wow, so we can, this is something new, this is something good. So we can format the tooltip, we can highlight the data, and now we will go to this format extension. Over here we can format the Sankey chart. So if I want to format the width of the nodes, let's keep it 60. So now see, this has been changed. We can increase the padding between the nodes, right? We can decrease padding between the flows and the node, right? And what we have, this is aligned horizontally. Okay, this looks much smoother, like the flow. And we can show and hide this labels as well. And looking for colors, we have different palettes like different palettes in built Tableau already. So let's try different colors. Okay, cool. See which blue color. Okay, okay. This is how you can set. And if you don't like, if you don't want to go back to the default, then you can click on the reset to default. So this is done. And well, this is our Sankey chart that we can create in Tableau. So go and try and let me know what you think about this Sankey chart in Tableau.